7 Things Women Immediately Notice About Men. Don't underestimate the importance of first impressions. If you nail that first impression when you walk into a room, women will easily notice you. To start off, everyone is obviously different. So there are some women who prioritize the importance of these 7 things that I will mention in the video, while others may not be as shallow. That's why in this video, I'm going to give you 7 things that many women immediately notice about a man. Number 1. Money. It's no secret that wealth is considered attractive because it signals that the man can live and also provide a comfortable lifestyle or is passionate and determined. In fact, women are actually much more sensitive to their partner's wealth than men are, according to a study published in Evolution and Human Behavior. Just be careful not to attract the gold diggers and then you'll have your pick of great women. It doesn't solve all problems when trying to attract women, but it undoubtedly makes it significantly easier. Number 2. Your hair. The first thing many women notice right away is your hair. It will likely play a major role in determining whether or not she finds you attractive. There are many cases where hairstyles make or break the deal. Even in an otherwise attractive man, a good hairstyle presents that you take good care of yourself physically and that you are giving an effort which is attractive. Number 3. Body odor. Yes, although it isn't immediately apparent, this becomes very clear. What ladies notice is how you smell. So if you smell like a garbage dump that's been left in the sun for too long, your chances are over before it even began. Plain and simple. Purchase a quality deodorant or cologne that will effectively address your body odor. Take a quick shower before leaving. If you just worked out and are sweating intensely before you even speak, you don't want her to move 6 feet away from you. Number 4. Your personality. Personality is important as well, because while physical appearance generates initial attraction or sparks of interest, it won't do you any good if your personality is unpleasant or incompatible with hers. And the relationship won't last very long after the initial honeymoon phase comes to an end. It's important to look physically attractive to get their attention in the first place. But that is just one part of the equation, and it won't be enough to keep her in the long run as she gets to know you more beyond your handsome face. Don't neglect the importance of having a good personality and you'll see an improvement in future relationships. Number 5. Women. Notice your hands. Having hands that look dirty, unkempt and rough will make not just women, but anyone else you meet reluctant to touch you or shake your hand, because they will be thinking that you don't care about your hygiene. It can also probably signal that you might be a messy person in general, if you get unlucky enough to be judged from first impressions only. Believe me, there are many people out there, both men and women, who have shallow deal breakers like that. So when trying to attract a partner, always put extra effort into trying to look your absolute best. Number 6. Your smile. There's no denying that a genuine smile can win over the affection of many women. This is an endearing and welcome quality when meeting new friends, including women, and makes them more open to your advances. It can also indicate that you have a strong sense of humor, and many women feel attracted to men that are able to make them laugh. In addition to that, nice teeth are also an important factor in your smile, which can be achieved with regular dental hygiene. For even better results, Reducing sugar and acid in your diet is also recommended. Drinks such as Coca-Cola can erode the enamel on your teeth and leave them discolored. So either stop or lessen your intake of that. Number 7. Your sense of style. Now, you may be wondering if it's as simple as your clothing style or hairstyle. Well, the answer is actually more complex than that. It's not as simple as wearing nice clothes or any other jewelry around your body. Clothing fit is also an underrated factor because you can have nice clothing, but if it is too loose or too tight, it doesn't exactly convey a flattering image. Some women are also able to tell the difference between genuine leather shoes and cheap imitations, so choose your footwear wisely. The trick is not to get the most expensive clothing, but rather be able to pick things that really work well with the other stuff you are wearing. Even if you are on a budget, choosing the correct fit can still make you look better than someone that has overpriced outfits that also don't look good when worn.